Okay, we have an exponential equation here. It's 7 raised to the 4x minus 1 is equal to 3 raised to the 5x. So we have two different bases and we have an unknown up here in both exponents. This has to be about my least favorite type of exponential equation to solve because it's the most work. But what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and possibly change this to logarithmic form, and it doesn't matter. I'm going to make it log base 3 of 7 raised to the 4x minus 1 equal to 5x. And in that case, what it does is it allows me to get this where I can pull the exponent out front. So inside this logarithm, I've got an exponent of 4x minus 1. I'm going to pull that out front. So when I do that, I'll have 4x minus 1 times log base 3 of 7 equals 5x. Now keep in mind that we're going to go to a calculator, and log base 3 of 7 can be put in using a change of base as log 7 over log of 3. So I'm probably going to take the easy route here and jump into a decimal approximation. So I still have the 4x minus 1 out front, but log base 7, not log base 7, excuse me, log of 7 divided by log of 3 is, I'm going to use 4 decimal places, 1.7712. So if I want to keep the exactness there and keep the log base 3 of 7 or log 7 over log 3, I'm not going to have it as easy to keep going, but I could. So with that, I've got 4x minus 1 times 1.7712 equal to 5x. So I'm going to distribute this decimal into the parentheses. So then I can get rid of all the parentheses and just go ahead and solve it like a normal linear equation that it is. So 4 times 1.7712 is 7. Let's go back to black for the actual equation. 7.0848x minus 1.7712 equals to 5x. So I want to get my x's on the same side, so I'm going to pull this 5x over to the left hand side. So I'll have 2.0848x, and I'll pull the negative 1.7712 over to the right hand side, so it'll be positive 1.7712. And then I'm going to divide out the 2.0848. So let's see here. I have 1.7712 divided by 2.0848, and that gives me approximately 0.849. Got messy there. Let's rewrite it. 0.8496. So I think that is what we should have rounded off. If you take it all the way through and get an exact form, good for you. If you don't need that exact form for anything, decimal is much easier to work with throughout the rest of this problem. Thank you.